In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master Shopify collections in just 5 minutes. Let's start by going to Shopify. This is the platform where all your e-commerce dreams come to life. Simply open your internet browser and type in Shopify's URL. You'll be greeted by Shopify's homepage, your gateway to creating a stunning online store. Now, to get things rolling, you'll need to log into your account. On the Shopify homepage, look for the login button. It's usually positioned in the top right corner, you can't miss it. Clicking this will lead you towards the next pivotal step, entering your credentials. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use the email associated with your Shopify store, ensuring a seamless login process. After inputting your email, you'll move on to the password step. Now, this goes without saying, but ensure your password is both strong and memorable. Once entered, hit the login button and you're in. Welcome to the heart of your Shopify operation, the My Store home page. This dashboard is where the magic happens. From tracking your sales to managing products, it's all here. First things first, let's navigate to the products section. You can find this option on the left-hand side menu. Click on it and prepare to dive into the world of collections. Once you've clicked on products, you'll notice a series of options unfold. Look for the one named collections and click on it. This section is essential for organizing your store's items in a way that makes sense to your customers and you. After entering the collections area, you're going to want to either select an existing collection to edit or create a new one. For now, let's focus on creating something new. So, click on Title to give your collection a name. Choose a title that resonates with the theme of the products you're including. It could be anything from summer essentials to limited edition sneakers. Whatever aligns with what you're offering. Next, add details to your collection. This is where you describe what your collection is about. It's an opportunity to be creative and tell a story about the products. Think about what makes these items special and why they belong together. This narrative will not only help with SEO, but also connect with your customers on a personal level. The art of crafting a perfect collection doesn't stop with just titles and descriptions. An image says 1,000 words. And in e-commerce, it can say even more. Adding a captivating image to your collection can draw customers in and give them a visual taste of what to expect. So, click Add Image to incorporate a visual element into your collection. When selecting an image, choose one that best represents the theme of your collection. It should be high quality and capture the essence of what the collection is all about. Once you've found the perfect image, upload it and you'll see how it transforms the appearance of your collection, making it more appealing and polished. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've now created a compelling collection on Shopify. This is just the beginning of optimizing your online store to attract more customers and boost sales. Remember, the key to success in e-commerce is not just about having great products, but presenting them in a way that resonates with your audience. Keep experimenting with different collections and layouts. Observe what works best for your store and what resonates with your customers. Over time, you'll find your stride and develop a keen eye for what makes your products shine. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to navigate Shopify collections. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your online store. Happy selling!